Hi friends, I'm so happy you're here with me today and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alyssa and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I made this construction paper journal. Some of you had requested to see a tutorial, so this one's for you guys. I did do a flip through of this in a previous video, so you can go ahead and check that out if you haven't already. But this is made completely out of construction paper and washi tape, and obviously other paper to decorate it. But just for the base of this journal, all you're going to need is some construction paper or any type of paper and washi tape. So I did cut this black construction paper down to 9 by 9 inches. Of course, pick whatever size journal that you want. And I have 3 sheets here. You can do as many sheets as you'd like. And I'm just going to fold each one in half. All right. And then I'm just going to stack each one on top of each other. And we're gonna take our washi tape, and you can use any kind of washi tape that you have, because as you can see from this one, it's mostly gonna be covered up by the papers here that you choose to cover your pages with. So you can definitely just go with whatever kind of washi tape you have. I have like 4 rolls of this one, so I'm gonna use this. And I'm simply just going to rip off 5 pieces of washi tape, and I'm going to put them down the spine of my journal. So again, all of your pages are going to be stacked on top of each other, and the closed part on the left, obviously. And we're just going to start in the middle and place our first piece of washi tape down and around to the back. All right, and then let's just grab another piece of washi tape. And I'm gonna put this one towards the top. Bring it around to the back. And place this one towards the bottom. Bring it around to the back. Grab another piece, and I'll just put it in the middle of these 2. And your 5th piece is gonna go in the middle of these 2. All right, so that's it for the outside, front and back. And then we're gonna open this up once and then twice. And we're going to take 4 pieces of washi tape and just put them in between these 5 pieces that we just put on the outside. So just rip off a piece of washi tape, and you can kind of see where your washi tape is on the outside. So you just want to place this tape in between each washi tape on the outside, if that makes any sense at all. Hopefully you can just see what I'm doing. I mean, you're basically just taping your pages together. And the washi tape on the outside is just a guide for where to place your washi tape on the inside. All right, so there's 4 pieces here. And then we're gonna turn this once and then twice. And we're gonna do the same thing and just tape down the spine here with 4 pieces of washi tape. All right, and that's it for assembling this journal here. And now you can just have fun decorating. So this one I did more of like an art journal. I did a lot of collaging on the inside. So you can choose to do it like that. So see all these like interactive elements and pockets and things like that. You can do something like that, or you can just choose to cover each page with like another sheet of patterned cardstock and just leave it like that. So I've cut out some papers here, and I'm going to just use these to cover up the entirety of my journal pages. So my journal measures 4.5 by 9 inches. So I just cut all of my papers down to 4.25 by 8 3/4, so that I have this border around the pages. So I'm just gonna go through and glue some of these right onto my pages. And if you've seen my other videos, you probably will recognize this paper. I've been using quite a bit of it because my mom actually bought me this paper pad when she went to Hobby Lobby. And I'll show you which one it is. It's just this Barnwood paper, Barnwood Pretty 2 from the Paper Studio. And I just thought that was so nice of her to look through the paper pads for me and pick one out for me. She knows I love doing paper crafts. So thank you, Mom. All right, I'm probably just gonna use the extra paper to create pockets or tags inside, things like that. I'm just gonna cut a little strip out, or I guess not a little strip, just a little rectangle to make a pocket over here. I'm gonna put a little notch. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do with this? Before I glue it down, I'm going to just ink up the edges a little bit. With some of this blue ink and my very professional makeup sponge. Hey, it works, so I'm gonna use it. Because I don't use it for makeup. I I just never really got into the whole makeup sponge thing. So, I mean, I tried, but I prefer using makeup brushes personally. All right. There we go. I'm just gonna fold this guy in half this way. And this can be like a little tag. Or a journaling card. And I'll just glue it shut so that it can be double-sided. Yeah, why don't I just turn it into a tag? Spruce it up with some stickers and things. This little sticker says, "A breath of fresh air." I really need that right now, like some fresh spring air. I'm gonna just fold this in half and do like a little flippy thing here. I think this paper is actually really nice to journal on. So I'm just gonna pop a little sticker, probably in the corner. And because of the size of my journal, I can put like 4x6 photos in here, or 4x6 project life cards. I think I'll use this one actually, just so I have the word poking through on top. This paper is also really great to journal on. So yeah, you get the idea of what I'm doing with this one. So I may just quickly fast forward through the rest of this and come back and show you the finished result. All right, my friends, here is the final journal. Super simple. I just put a little XO on the front with some hearts. I just love this paper and I like to showcase the pretty paper. So that's my cover. And here we are on the inside. I added some little stickers here and there. So here's this tag again. And here's the little flip up part. So this one in particular was just so easy and simple to put together because I really only used probably, how much paper was it? It was like 6 12 by 12 inch sheets of paper, and I just used all of that to cover up my pages and make the little pockets. And it was actually pretty quick and easy and fun to make. So you can make these as simple as this, or you can do like how I did with my first journal and just go collage crazy and make it really interactive and unique. So So over on this page, I did 2 pockets and I stuck these smaller Project Life cards inside. And here are these. And the last little flip up part here. But overall, just putting this whole entire journal together with just construction paper and washi tape is so simple, quick, and fun to do. So I hope you guys do try this method out if you want to just make a super quick journal. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun, leave me a comment down below because I really enjoy talking to you all, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy crafting, everybody!